Hello guys, today I am excited to show you our premium photochromic helmet visors. This photochromic visor can smartly adjust the darkness according to the strength of UV sunlight. Very intelligent. Next, I will briefly introduce you our factory. Let's check it out. Firstly, let's check it out this photochromic visor. It is applied advanced photochromic technology. It has a swift reaction when the UV light varies. It only takes a second to get dark and restore the original transparent color in a few minutes. In the strong sunny days, it can be dark smoke, releasing the rider's eye fatigue, and it is applied photochromic material, which is patented and exclusive in our company. Besides, it is more durable and safer than other normal visors. Now let's check it out our visor production workshops. We not only have advanced equipment, but also have quality management system, making sure each visor product complied with ECE standard. We also have BC certificate and ISO 9001. We are confident to offer customers our best quality, our best possible competitive price. We not only gain trust in domestic market, but also become long-term business partner of global helmet brand for years. LIANGYU photochromic visor, sensitive, fast.